Let us discuss the astronomical telescope with final image at D. We have two convex lenses, LO, LE. LO is the objective lens. It has higher focal length and it has greater aperture than the eyepiece. The object is the distant one, so we are able to get the parallel beam of light up to this region. So when the ray passes through O, it goes like this. When it passes through O, the optic center of the first lens, it goes undeviated and strikes at the second lens here. Then it gets refracted and reaches the eye like this. Let us consider the other ray, which is parallel incident one. So it goes undeviated up to this mark. Then after that it gets refracted and coincides at the focal point here. So that is the point of intersection, and that is nothing but the focal length of object lens, the focus length or focal length of the objective lens, FO. So the image falls here. This is the position of the image. This is the image position. So OB is the what? That is FO. And the object focal length, where the image also falls here because it is from the distance objective. So parallel beam of light, it forms an image at the focal point, and therefore the image distance of the first lens is equal to what? FO. Are you able to follow this? That is here FO, which is nothing but the image distance of O, the first objective lens. And what about this distance, that is BO? You can call it that is OB also. FO is equal to VO. That is also equal to what? O and B. So OB, right? Then what about the that is object of the second lens? That is nothing but the image of the first lens. Therefore here this image acts as the object of the second lens, that is the eyepiece, and therefore it is the, and it lies that is between the focal point of eyepiece and what is that? The optic center of the eyepiece. Got it? So now this acts as the object distance of the second lens, that is UE. Do you get this point? That is UE is the object distance of the what? The second lens, that is eyepiece. That is O dash B. You can call it O dash B. Got it? Right. Now since the object is within this area, now and that is and a ray passing through the optic center and through this image, it goes here and then it gets refracted so that it crosses here. So it makes a image of the second one, and that exactly matches with the D. Therefore here you need to consider the image, the second image falls in this case, that is you can call it A dash, and B dash. So this is the image of the second lens, that is the eyepiece. Now I think every point is clear. Let us proceed with the equation for magnification. What is M? M is equal to beta divided by alpha. This is the visual angle with respect to the image, and this one with respect to the object. And here let us consider this right angle, that is, let us consider first alpha. So consider this one, or let us have another diagram. Okay, see that? Let me highlight this triangle. Okay, so let us focus up to here, B. Okay, now if it is alpha, and this is also alpha because of the vertically opposite angles. Now let us consider this one, this triangle. So what is that triangle? It is the triangle, we can call it triangle OBA, right? Where what is tan alpha? You have got the tan alpha here. This is alpha. So tan alpha means opposite side by adjacent side. So this is adjacent side. So what is opposite side? Which is nothing but the height of the object, that is AB. So AB divided by, and adjacent is OB. So you can put OB, right? So AB by OB, that is tan alpha. And for small angle, tan alpha is equal to alpha, approximately equal to alpha. So you can call it alpha is equal to AB by OB. Now this is equation number 1. And let us consider the another triangle. Let me consider the other triangle which involves beta. So let me consider this triangle. Okay, right. So here in triangle O dash, and let me have this as B dash. Okay, so this is A dash and this is B dash. And you can also consider this smaller triangle. Okay, let me consider this one, that is triangle O dash B and then A, where tan beta is equal to, this is opposite and this is adjacent. So opposite is AB and adjacent is O dash B. Now tan beta is equal to, approximately equal to beta. Therefore beta is equal to AB by O dash B. So this is equation 2. Okay, so carefully go through this. Now M is equal to, we know this equation already, M is equal to what? Beta by alpha, is it not? So M is equal to beta by alpha. So in that case we can substitute this. Therefore M is equal to, substitute this, AB by O dash B. AB by O dash B divided by, and what is alpha, AB by OB. Therefore, AB can be cancelled and OB is reciprocated. So, OB by O dash B. Now, what is OB? OB is nothing but FO. Okay, so this FO is on the right side of the first lens. And what about O dash B? That is UE. So that is on the left side of the second lens. Therefore, it should be minus, and FO divided by minus FE, and this is not FE, UE. Okay, so this is minus UE. Eyepiece object distance, is it not? Now we know already that is minus, we know the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U according to lens formula, 1 by F. So 1 by V can be replaced by minus D. So 1 by minus D, and then minus U can be replaced by the eye lens object distance, that is minus UE, is it not? So that is equal to 1 by FE. Okay, so F, we are talking about only the eye piece, so we can replace accordingly. Then what is 1 by UE? Minus or minus plus. Therefore 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE plus 1 by D, is it not? Now this 1 by UE can be suitably replaced here. So this can be written as FO into, you can put minus here, and 1 by UE. So we can replace this equation. Therefore M is equal to minus FO of, instead of 1 by UE you can put this one. So 1 by FE plus 1 by D. Now we can remove the 1 by FE outside the bracket. Therefore M is equal to minus FO by FE, open the bracket, this becomes 1 plus, and it is divided here, so 1 by D divided by 1 by FE. So FE is reciprocated, so FE divided by D. So this is the final formula for the magnification of astronomical telescope with final image at the least distance of the distinct vision. Okay, and the magnification will increase because the UE is less than that of, the FE is less than that of FO. The FO, that is focal length of the object lens, is greater than that of the eyepiece. Okay.